Today's topic for discussion is the economic importance of algae. Algae in Latin word that means seaweed. It is a very old group of plants which have been referred in literature of all the older civilizations of the world, such as Greek, Roman, Indian and Chinese literature. It is referred to a shaival. In Marathi it is called as shaival. As per the ancient Ayurveda and the name still retained in many of the Indian languages. Algae most commonly occur in water. It may be in fresh water or it is present in sea water. Today we are going to see, today's discussion is on economic importance of algae. The phycology has made great advance in 20th century. Extensive research has been done on the algae and several aspects of algae which are useful for man has been studied. The usefulness of algae. Let us see algae as a food. The algae are important as a source of food for fishes, aquatic amphibia, mammals and other animals which occur in soil. Recently, more than 100 species of edible algae have been recorded. Many of them are marine algae, that is, they occur in seawater. The chief consuming countries are Japan, China, Philippines, Britain, Ireland, Norway, Sweden, Germany, France and America. And the algae are eaten as salad or vegetable along with meat, rice and soup. And several types of food articles are prepared from algae. They are rich in vitamins. Algal plants are rich in minerals and generally poor in proteins. According to Japanese preparation, they prepare several types of food from the algae of the group Rhodophyceae. Some brown algae are source of iodine. So goiter is absent in population eating brown algae. Goiter, it is a type of illness, and goiter is absent in the human population who eat brown algae. Among green algae, chlorella contain all vitamins from A to D. Okay, it has high nutritive value. Laminaria, it is an algae, Laminaria japonica and Sargassum enervae are brown algae which is used as food in Japan. Next, algae as fodder. Many seaweeds are used as fodder. Planktonic algae are consumed by protozoans, crustaceans and fishes. A number of marine algae are used as stock feed for chicken, sheep and cattle in littoral areas of the Sweden, Denmark, Britain, Norway, China, New Zealand and France. Several countries use algae as a fodder. Some important fodder algae are Laminaria, Fucus, these are the names of algae which are used as fodder, Sargassum, Ascophyllum, Macrocystis, etc. Next, use of algae in industry is also very common. A number of industrial products are obtained from algae. They are mostly belong to brown and red algae. One of the agar-agar powder, it is a dried mucilage prepared from algae. It is prepared from the algae which is known as Gracilaria and Gelidium. These are the algae from which agar is prepared. And agar is used in preparation of culture media for the growth of again microscopic algae, fungi, bacteria. Okay. In preparation of various dairy products and even in cosmetic algae is used, and Again, algine, it is one of the component which is prepared from algae. It stabilizes the emulsions of rubber latex and shaving creams. And toothpastes also contain algine. Ointment, soap, sauces, etc. that contain algine, that is prepared from algae. It is used for sizing of textiles, manufacture of pills and antibiotic capsules. It can be spun into threads used in surgery. This stops internal bleeding and is slowly absorbed inside the human body. Japanese prepare artificial wool from sargassum. It is a large sized algae which occur in sea water. And many antibiotics are also prepared from algae. Example, chlorella, cytonamine and cytonema. These are the algae which are used for preparation of medicines. Mannitol and fucoidine are extracted from brown algae and used as mucilage and food respectively. Next, use of algae in agriculture. Nitrogen fixing blue algae that increases soil fertility by addition of nitrogenous compounds and organic matter. Which algae fix nitrogen? That is nostoc, anabaena. There are many members of Cyanophyta group. They fix atmospheric nitrogen. Hence, the dried powder of these algae that is used as fertilizer. Next, use of algae in sewage disposal. Sewage consists of organic and some inorganic substances suspended or dissolved in water and number of fecal and other bacteria. They causes fermentation. This gives an offensive odor. So, aerobic conditions are provided by the number of small algae and minerals rich water is obtained which can be supplied to agriculture. Next, use of algae, that is petroleum is obtained from algae. Research is going on and it is believed that petroleum and natural gas reserves of the earth are largely organic in origin. These reserves are generally located near the diatomite deposition. Thus, diatoms play a major role in formation of petroleum. The dead bodies of these organisms settle down at the bottom of ocean where decay is little because of extreme pressure and absence of aerobic conditions. This organic matter accumulates and is covered by inorganic sediments. It is then slowly changed into petroleum and related substances. Next, use of algae in research. Algae are important as research tool in the field of plant physiology, cytogenetics, biochemistry because of their rapid growth, easy culture in laboratory and brief lifespan. Next, this is use of algae in space travel. The major problems of long space travels are the disposal of human excreta, removal of carbon dioxide, availability of oxygen and food. All these problems can be solved by microscopic unicellular algae like chlorella, and they have fast rate of photosynthesis and can pick up all carbon dioxide related by astronauts. The other wastes are also metabolized slowly and oxygen is thus recycled. The need of food can also be fulfilled by taking the same unicellular algae as food. Next, thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.